Very good morning to all of you. Dear students, today I will discuss decoder. Okay, what is a decoder? It simply decodes, means it extracts information from any code. Okay, in this you have m inputs and 2 to the power m outputs. Means if there are two inputs, there will be 2 to the power 2 means 4 output, means 2 to 4 decoder. Similarly 3 to 8 decoder. Similarly 4 to 16 decoder, 5 to 32 decoder. Okay, suppose there is 2 bit binary number, means there will be 2 input and 4 output. This is your decoder circuit. There are two input x1 and x0, and there will be 4 output 0 1 2 3. You know, total combination are 4 from 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, and depending upon the value of these inputs, any one output will be activated. Suppose value is 0 0. Okay, in this case 0 0 means 0, means output 0 will be activated. This is your y0, this is y1, this is y2 and y3. y0 will be activated. This lamp will glow, and in rest of the cases it will not glow. Okay, if it is 0 1, then 1 will glow. If 1 0, 2 will glow, and if 1 1, 3 will glow. Okay, this is your decoder circuit. 2 to 4 decoder, means what is happening here? When 0 0, output is y0. Okay, 0 1, what is the decimal equivalent? 1. So 1 is y1 is high, other output y3 y2 y0 are low. Means at one time only one output will be high, depending upon the value of input, means I1 and I0. So value is 1 1. 1 1 is what? Y3 3. So this will glow. Yeah, you can say this will be high, other will be 0. Okay, this is your. Now you can derive the expression. Y3 is nothing. It is 1 1 means I1 I0. Similarly 0 1, it is nothing. 0 1 means I1 bar I0. 0 0 means y0, I1 bar I0. y2 means 1 0, y1 I1 I0. Okay, and this is your final circuit. So decoder have only AND gates. Okay, this is not in SOP or POS form, just it gives the product terms. This and this and this. This is only AND term. Suppose there are 3 to 8 decoder. 3 to 8 decoder means 3 input and 8 output. I already told to you, in decoder there are m inputs and 2 to the power m outputs. This is the final circuit. How you will implement by using gates. Suppose this is 0 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, means y1 will be activated. This will be high, other will be 0. Suppose all are 1 1 1 1. 1 1 1 means I2 I1 and I0. This will be high. These are 3 inputs I2 I1 I0 and 8 outputs y0 to y7. So you have to remember, decoder gives only product terms. Okay, now there is concept of enable line. What is the function of enable line? In case of enable line, decoder will only work if enable line is 1. If its value is 0, it will not give any output. In this case, suppose this is 2 to 4 decoder. If its value is 1 and input is 0 0, it will give y0. If its value 1 and 0, it will give y1. If 1 1 0, y2 and y3. In case of 1 1, if its value is 0, it does not give any output. You can see here there is no output. Okay, there is no 1 in any output. This is your active high decoder. In case of active high decoder, it will only work if enable line is 1. Okay, this must be 1. And how will draw the circuit? The same thing. Now there is one more line E. It must be 1. So connected to AND gate, just like previous circuit. 1 1. Okay, this is y0 is now. What is y0? Y0 is I10, I0 bar and E. E, I0 bar, I1 bar. Similarly, this one. Suppose y2. What is y2? E, I1, I0 bar. So this is E, this is I1, I0, and this is your I0 bar, this is I1. Okay, in this way you can draw the circuit, either 2 to 4 or 3 to 8 or 4 to 16 decoder. Now this is your 3 to 8 decoder. The value is 0 0 0, output will be 1, y0 will be high. 0 0 1, output will be y1. 0 1 0, y2. So you can analyze, you are getting output diagonally. At one time only one output is high. There are 8 outputs. Among 8 outputs, only one output is high, depending upon the value of this. Suppose 110 is nothing, it is y6, 6. So y6 is high, rest are the 0. So this is your how you will draw the circuit. This is your circuit. Okay. E. Now you are using y0 to y7, y0 to y3 and y4 to y7. I2 means, in case I2, in this case all are 0, so there is NOT gate. In y4 to y7, this is y4 to y7, I2 is 1, so this is 1, no NOT gate. This is your active high. What is the difference between active high and active low? In case of active high decoder, you will get output high when E equal to 1. But in this active low decoder, instead of E, there will be E bar. Okay, you will get output high. You are already aware about negative logic and positive logic. In case of negative logic, what happens? Output becomes high if signal is not detected. If output is low, means signal is detected. So in this case, active low, you will get the output 0. So in case of 0 0, output is y0 is 0, means this is high. In active low case, this is high. Now you are getting diagonally 0. In case of active high, you are getting diagonally 1. What you have to do, just replace all 0, replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. So replace 0 0 0, this is 1 1 1, and this 1 by 0. This is your circuit. In case of active low signal, you will get bubbled output. y3 bar, y2 bar, y1 bar and y0 bar. Now you have to implement, suppose you have to implement any function by using decoder. What is happening? You are getting only product term. Now you need to add all the minterms. Okay, and to need, in case of active high, to add all the minterms, you required one OR gate. Okay, suppose this is example. Suppose you have to implement full adder. In full adder, you know sum is 1247 and carry is 3567. I already told to you sum 1247 means if you are getting odd number of ones at input. 3567 means if you are getting majority number of inputs are high. Now you have to implement this. You are getting only AND terms, so you require OR gate to sum. Okay, so what you will do, in output you will use one OR gate. Sum 1, this is 1, 2, 4 and 7. Similarly 3, 5, 6, 7 for this. So in this way you can implement any Boolean function. Just what you need to do, just it must be in SOP form, not in POS form. You have to remember, because you are getting the product term. Product term comes only in SOP form and you require one OR gate. So you will add all the product terms, min terms, these are min terms. In case of decoder, you are getting output 1247. Okay, 1247. So you require this. So how to implement full adder by using decoder 3 to 8. This is your 3 to 8 decoder. Suppose you have to implement any function. Suppose one is f1 is 1 to sigma m12 and f2 is pi 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this case you have to replace POS, means simply product term in SOP form. Okay, means in min terms form. So in case of 1, 2, you will use 1, 2 with, you will give at input of OR gate. In case of 4, 5, 6, 7 which are in max term, you will convert it into min term. So what will be the min terms? Remaining term means 0, 1, 2, 3. Now you will connect 0, 1, 2, 3 to input of OR gate, and that will be the required answer in F2. And suppose you have to implement any circuit by using active low decoder. Now you are using active low decoder. In that case you have to always use NAND gate. Why I am telling to you NAND gate? Because you know, suppose NAND gate input are A and B. Okay, you know A, you are getting bubbled output, so A bar dot B bar. Okay, and whole bar is nothing, it is A plus B, means again OR gate. So you will use, in case of active low decoder, means when you are using negative logic, you will use bubbled NAND gate and output will be bubbled. This is the same question which we have done in full adder. In this case, just replace OR gate by NAND gate, okay, and use bubble here, because you know what is A plus B. A plus B is nothing, it is A bar dot B bar whole bar. It is nothing, it is A plus B. So you will use bubble here bubble here, and you will use NAND gate. If in exam it is asked, you have to implement by using active high decoder, then that case you will use OR gate and output will be without bubbled. And if you have to implement by using active low decoder, in that case you have to use bubbled output and replace OR gate by bubbled OR gate by NAND gate. Okay, it's all about today lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.